A company specializing in onion exports had a rupees 8 crore insurance policy with ECGC of India to cover export losses. After fulfilling an order from a Vietnamese buyer, the buyer halted further shipments due to financial issues despite no initial quality concerns. The remaining consignments were already shipped, and when the insurer refused to allow resale, the goods were sold to other buyers, resulting in a loss of rupees 48,70,234. The insurer rejected the claim, citing a quality dispute and alleged policy violations. The company filed a complaint with the State Commission of Maharashtra, which ruled in their favor, awarding compensation, mental distress, and litigation costs. The insurer appealed the decision to the National Commission. The National Commission upheld the insurer's decision to reject the claim, citing key legal precedents. It referenced the Supreme Court's ruling in Oriental Insurance Corporation Limited versus Sony Cherian, which stressed the importance of policyholders adhering to policy terms, and MSBHS Industries versus Export Credit Guarantee Corporation Limited, which highlighted the need for claims to comply with policy conditions and legal dispute resolution. The Commission also pointed to the principle of utmost good faith as established in a case which was violated due to the failure to disclose material facts. Based on these precedents, the National Commission dismissed the appeal and overturned the State Commission's ruling. To know about your rights, stay tuned to Live Law. Please don't forget to like and share the video. For daily news and legal explainers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.